Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a rich, fudgy and super soft homemade brownie recipe that you can make without an oven. Start by placing a bowl over warm water. Add half cup butter and half cup dark chocolate. Melt gently until smooth. Use warm water, not boiling, to melt chocolate smoothly. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants. Butter helps create soft texture and supports energy. Now add half cup sugar and half cup milk. Then mix well. Now add 3/4 cup flour and 3 tablespoon cocoa powder. Sieve and mix until just combined. Cocoa may improve brain function. A small brownie satisfies sweet cravings quickly. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence for that perfect aroma. Do not overmix the batter. It makes brownies dense. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil, place a baking paper, and pour the batter. Spread some chocolate chips on top. Add extra chocolate chips inside for extra fudginess. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Then cook the brownie for 25 to 30 minutes. Cool completely. Demold and cut into beautiful pieces. Cocoa-rich brownies boost mood naturally. Brownies taste even better the next day as they set perfectly. Always cool before cutting for clean edges. Your rich, fudgy cafe-style brownie is ready at home. Tell me, should I make a gooey brownie or a crispy edge brownie next? Like the video, follow the page and subscribe for more delicious homemade dessert.